Hi, welcome to Kweliworks. I'm Lenny Berg, Dean of Faculty and Dean of Students for the Kweliworks Institute.
Hi, I'm Catherine Maruri. Many of you may know me as a founder, producer, and host of the Living the Life You Love show, a partner of the Kweliworks Institute.
Kweliworks is an educational institute dedicated to seeking universal truth and sharing principles that show people how to reach their potential through self-mastery, empowering themselves, and promoting a better, more just, and peaceful world.
Kweli means truth in Swahili, one of the national languages of Africa. Truth is the Northstar of our work.
We teach primarily through producing webinars, digital media series, empowerment demos, talks, and speeches, experiential learning workshops online and in person, and custom designed digital media products for your staff or your target audience. The idea is to create new and more effective tools, platforms, and strategies that convey ideas, values, and attitudes that help empower people to more effectively execute their dreams and plans in symphony with a peaceful universe.
I came to Kweliworks seeking mentorship and help in developing my own passion project. With Kuja's help, I knew I could pursue my passion, provide the world with something that it needed, and be self-sustaining while pursuing my dreams.
As a global business dedicated to facilitating self-empowerment, Kweliworks is committed to helping diverse groups of people in their quest for enlightenment, wisdom, and self-mastery.
We invite you to join us and explore our services, and most importantly, live the life you love passionately.
And empower yourself.